Welcome to the new lecture. In the previous lecture we discussed about the history of the engineering. What are the different inventions and discoveries that have been made in different eras? What are the different scientists that have been contributed in the field of engineering or in the field of science? In this lecture we will discuss about engineering, that what is engineering, what is science, what is technology, and the difference between science, engineering and technology. Before discussing the definition of engineering or the word engineering, first we will discuss the word engineer. So it was first coined in 1000 or 1200 AD. The word engineer is derived from the engine or ingenious, which means create. So the word engineer was used for the person who create or design engines of war, and then this word further evolved and become engineer in 1000 or 1200 AD. According to ABET, American Board for Engineering and Technology. So what is engineering according to ABET? Engineering is a profession in which knowledge of mathematical and natural sciences gained by study, experience and practice is applied economically for the benefit of human being or mankind. So engineering is a profession like law, medicine, architecture and teaching, etc. Engineering is based on the knowledge of mathematics and natural sciences. Another definition suggested. So what is engineering? Engineering can be also defined as engineering is the development of the cost-effective solution to practical problems through the application of scientific knowledge. So what is cost-effective solution and practical problems and scientific knowledge? So these are the keywords which has been explained. Cost-effective means affordable, better product with optimum and reasonable cost. Solution is you already know what is solution: making and building devices and equipments or processes and so on for that specific problem. Practical problems means solving problems that concern the civic society and human benefits. Next is scientific knowledge. What is scientific knowledge? Application of analytical techniques and methods. Engineer's approach and intentions. The engineer must weigh conflicting constraints and make judgment based on the knowledge and experience, seeking a best or optimal solution. The first is he should focus on the best and optimal solution regarding conflicts based on experience and knowledge. They select appropriate materials on the basis of availability, cost and physical properties. So it is also important for an engineer that he should know about the materials and its properties, the behavior of material, its characteristics. Also he should focus on the availability as well as that material should be cost effective to be selected for that particular engineering application. So physical properties are engineering or mechanical properties mean weight, strength, durability, elasticity, toughness, hardness and so on. Engineers concerned not only with the utilization of these resources but also with their conservation. So this involves recycling and reusability should be focused by the engineer before developing the product or after developing the product. Engineers seeking solutions that are energy efficient, exploring for the new sustainable sources of energy to replace those that are being depleted. Engineers should explore or should focus on the sustainable solution for the energy crisis or for the energy sources which are going to deplete day by day or which are not sustainable options. So engineers should search and should explore for the solutions that are sustainable and energy efficient. Engineers seek solutions that are economical. Engineers are more sensitive regarding the environmental impact of the technological achievements and advancement. Before developing any product, engineers should know about the environmental effects of that particular product which he is going to develop. So environmental concerns should be focused before launching or before developing any product. Engineer work for the societal benefit. Next is, what is scientist? Before we know what a scientist is, we have to understand science. So what is science? You already know. Science is a systematic knowledge gained through observation and experiment. In simple words, we can say, who is scientist? Practitioner of science is called scientist. Scientists are critical observers. So in this slide we will discuss what is the difference between engineers and scientists. So scientists create knowledge while engineers apply that knowledge, or the available knowledge, or the discovered knowledge. So scientists focus on the creation of knowledge and engineer focus on the application of knowledge. Next is, seek to study the world as it is, while engineers seek to change the world. Scientists are trained in scientific methods, while engineers are trained in engineering design methods. Scientists are thinkers, while engineers are doers. The characteristic activity of scientists: they focus on the research to explore new knowledge, while engineers focus on the creative design. Scientists works in the field such as biology, chemistry, physics, etc., while engineers works in the discipline, that is civil engineering, mechanical, aerospace, computer system, agriculture engineering, industrial engineering, and so on. Practitioner of the science is called scientist, while the practitioner of the engineering is called engineers. Scientist versus engineer. So it is the continuation of the previous slide. Here it has been explained properly that what is in the difference between engineers and scientists. Both the engineer and scientist are thoroughly educated in the mathematics and natural sciences, but the scientist primarily uses this knowledge to acquire new knowledge. As in the previous slide, it is being mentioned that scientists are continuously exploring for new knowledge based on his learning or his understanding of mathematics and natural sciences, whereas the engineers apply that knowledge to design and develop usable devices, structures, and processes. In short, we can say the scientists seek to know while the engineers aims to do. Scientists explore what is available, while engineers create what had not been. Aerospace engineer Von Karman gave this statement: scientists discover the world that exists, engineers create the world that never was. Next is, what is technology? Technology is comprised of products and processes created by engineers that meet our need and desires or wants. Technology, the creation or generation of knowledge and processes to develop systems that solve problems and extend human capabilities. What is the difference between technology and science? So technology is related or concerned with the study of our human-made world, while science is a study of natural world. Technology deals with what can be, scientist deals with what is already available in the universe. This was all about this lecture. If you have any question, you are most welcome to ask in the comment section, and you can discuss it in the physical class.